Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I use this alphabet cookie cutter. I wrap cellophane around the glass. Watch my Kali recipe video on my YouTube channel. Thank you. If you are new in my channel, please subscribe. Thank you. If you like my video, please share it with your friends. Thank you. I used wood glue. If you like my video, please press the like button. Thank you. After 2 days, I removed the glass and I let it dry completely. It took almost 5 days to dry completely. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Love you. Bye bye.